It's very easy to look at the world and think it's perfect, but we're just at one point in a story of natural evolution. When I was 14 or 15, I broke my thumb. If my hand had been robotic, I could have just replaced the thumb and it would have been repaired instantly. What can I do to integrate aspects of something being robotic and aspects of something being biological to allow an amputee to be everything that they lost and everything more that is possible by technology? My first idea was that I wanted to make the best prosthetic arm or leg there was. I quickly realised what would make it the best is because I had attached it to the person so well that they had complete control. And so started thinking about the connector.
If you offered me an arm and a leg now that was made out of human arms and legs, like flashy, I wouldn't want it. I've already been hit by a train. I want to use it now. I'd want to try integrating with technology. What Oliver wants to do is create something that directly fixes to your bone, that listens to your muscle tensing. It's going to have all the capability to transfer a whole bunch of nervous control signals to a prosthetic. Having something that's linked to your bone just means it's got pinpoint accuracy. You could probably write with it. You could hold a pencil and control it really, really carefully. When Oliver showed me his plans, suddenly everything dawned that this is possible. It's potentially going to change my life. No one else in the world is doing what he's doing. It's amazing. He's just thinking about this different future for everybody that he's trying to create. I'm on board with Oliver's dream.
Evolution is a progression and we're at a point in it. So looking at parts of nature and understanding how they might be able to work better in the future, it's just part of the natural progression. So let's see where we go.